Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to rotate object. For example, I will create a rectangle in here. You also can create another object, but first in here I will set fill into this solid color, flat color. And you can set color like I will set into this green color. Now if you want to rotate this object, you can click the object and will be shown for the rotate tools in the corner. I will rotate into this point. You also can set for the rotation center. I will move this rotation center into here. And then you can rotate again the objects. It will be automatically move from the center point at this here. You can move to the center, the objects. And if you want to scale, you can click again the objects. And then click at these points to scale the objects. Okay, to rotate, you can click and then click in here. You can set the rotation center and then rotate again. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials, how to rotate objects. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.